The Mama Kwaba Bioba, the Transcendent Truth channel. So, Mediane Dr. Samuel Teteteria. I'm a pharmacist and a proprietor of Smartel Pharma Solutions. In previous video, we can first aid here wasem. Shabakosem, Eshe, Bintia Baye, some faso, Nebia Hodo, I timid first aid Tijuma. Jetuni fear outdo. So on her video na Bomaden self a share and son or share video way. And a per se a Smartel Pharma Solutions, your first aid kits. Any nyoma a womb. Na this first aid kits are ebe nyoma the promo pack and the premium pack a buy and nti wonsa kan dia nyoma a womb na womb. Your other parts are that and also the actual and in your womb. Nti the kind of can your tools and equipments and medications in the womb. Nti tools no the kind of can anyway. The friend multi-purpose pocket surviving tool. A blade and no corona yes a kind. No corner a screwdriver, no corner a cap opener, no corner a can opener, no corner a ruler, no corner a saw blade. Tia onyoma bebre na woso betimi de di dwuma odo bebre. Afei yawo scissors. Ina inu de scissors ye would be to bandages na de keka ho. Afei yawo tweezers. Yedi yi nyoma nkete a wontimi mfa wonsa ana anya advisable so de wonsa be yi efiri ekro eni. So bia wo hwe ho bia nyoma nkete bi aba ekro n'ani a etimi de we yi ni mako sa no address na kama. Afei your flashlight nso and also ye di dwuma wo sum a ina be the touch afei your aben so for blowing alarm when emergency or the need arises. Afei your cotton bag you assume nso shame ina be the yes I will compressed face towel nso shame free moja nyoma bi wo a wetimi ehun hia wetimi dia paper. Afei your alcohol pad say bia wo say the one obi nsa for sugar na bibisa wetimi di we a wipe and sana kama sana waye needle pricking. Afei your sterile gauze swab nso shame and also the dress the crew. Only kind of two economy and sana or the adhesive bandage and answer plaster apparatus. After your plaster strips and shame. Wow, me back rectangular, na back on triangular kakra. Nothing so your adhesive bandage for dressing wounds. Adhesive bandage or sometimes called plaster. After your elastic bandage in it may be at on fingers on our night. Now the way safety pins are holding. So say any holder and so the try how the safety pins now holding in place. One for safety pins and so I'll be to me the way are holding in place. Your friend medical tape. Medical tape now so wait me the immobilize a dislocated finger or even a toe. The metra say one semubu ana bibisa obetimi the way aye ho adwuma. The betre no mresim. After what triangular bandage, okay, previous video na ye can do the ba ho asem. Membo ni din. Ko video no be. After ye wo surgical nose mask no so shem. And so ye di dwuma. After ye wo tourniquet. So mo dey two bi. Na person mo dwa no twa. The way na chichire biaye bi. The betre no breathing. After your emergency blankets. They prevent condition the friend hypothermia from taking place. And I say awo eba na say ijahihie mu to be nipa bi ko to be bi mu a the kata ye ho say the be ma ebe kan ho hye. Afa ewie ne sa ne enko nduro a ewo Smartel first aid kit no nso. Nduro no ye wo hydrocortisone acetate cream ewo se abo bi kaw abo aketu bi kaw saka pape ne de keka ho bi kaw nwura na se bibisa betimi de asra so so ho ye ohene abo an kaw bi ama ho ye ohene betimi anu we bi nso aka ho na abre na se so na mubu na se muscular pain we nso shem diclofenac gel a the be massage biaye ama ho adwo. After your silver sulfadiazine for first degree burns. Ja ehye wana nhwehye bi hwie nkwan hwie gu so a na the be mresin ye ka burns so asem na the betre sen ye di dwuma. After your methylated spirits nso shem your dress wound the sign or dress solution nso shem for dressing wound. After gastrointestinal disorders nso or conditions ye wo gastron tablets eshem so the baby na se bo hwehwe a na se aduana digestive ama unjo ho antia betimi anum bi number akope na adwo a ho ato adwo nso ana ama na intintia or the nearest clinic or hospital. After your number 10 liver salt and also sa udidina udidiwe na se wa ikutu yema ikutu na gas ejina oyen ana impo bo hwehwe betimi anum bi tiba ko na de fra nsuo be 200 ml of water ana cup back no tea cup back no. After your hydrolyte solution your friend ORS oral rehydrating solution and also we hwie na o ni ana o fia betimi anum bi to rehydrate sending the thing suggestion. After your sign or paracetamol tablets into shem for minor headaches or pain. And your sign or mentodex lozenges for cough, cold and catarrh. Hair 10 the womb and you are not to exceed 10 lozenges in a day. So cold now call within a day after consuming all these can go to a hospital or a pharmacy, get better treatment. After the sign this Chinese rob institution. Send your day die to let the Digimon, which me the answer Digima, but I won't say we need to. The capital cry woman activated chapel for selected poisoning. So when you food poisoning and I say would be non poisoner. As a universal antidote, it means most poisons and I say poisons out of the way. By any poison be be treated. But for selected poisoning as the name suggests, immerse in never kind of one. Nti wei ne nneɛma a ɛwɔ the promo pack of Smartel Pharma Solutions first aid kits no. Sɛ wonya Smartel first aid kits a frɛ the numbers no a ɛwɔ yɛn caption no mu no na nya ma wo nsa nka bi. Afei sɛ woyɛ organization or institution na wopɛ sɛ supply workers bi a ɛno nso yɛakwama abie. Now per se prepare a special first aid kits for that organization or institution and also accommodate for that. Yamin Shram so what share bc sisi makram.